yeah, just to kind of give a high level of what we're going to be showing in the persona tables is, you have a list of companies. We do like the full 360 enrich. And when we use like not just our use AI enrichment, which is like basic prompting with dynamic variables, but we're also going to be showing our agent, which can do those multi-step processes and see like multiple sources as well. And then finally, we also have the Sendspark integration, which is super cool because once you get this high intent list, platforms like Sendspark can generate personalized videos for you to send to your prospects as well. So going into the Persona platform, what I have here is like just a table. I imported a list of companies over here. When you click on enrich data, you can see we have all the different sorts of enrichments like the agent, work emails, Google search using AI at scale, like the different models like GPT, Claude. So yeah, we have all the different enrichments here. I've already run to find out, what is the company description, what is the total staff size for all of these, and then like getting data from their company website. So I've already run all these different enrichments, as you can see over here. Next, what I'll do, and Rush, you can kind of dive deeper into this. Oh, the company information, and then also finding people. So finding certain profiles of the company. I was trying to find like the founders. So CEO, founder, CTO. So found those profiles as well, and then got their profile details as well as their work emails. But I think what really helps qualify the list further to a different level is our agent. So two enrichments that I ran is one, the persona agent, I used it to find the revenue and see if that matched our ICP. And then for this campaign, I also want to see if it mentioned AI anywhere on their website. Yeah, and I think one more thing that is really cool because people are always asking questions like, okay, just even like a yes or no question, right? Does it mention keywords like AI? Even like you can have the best prompt in the world, but it's important to know the references and sources that you're getting it from. And that's why we've added like what are the exact steps the agent has taken, what are the exact pages that it's visited. And you can also like once you get better, once you see like, hey, the company website or like another aggregator website has better data, then you can actually even you can guide the steps for the agent as well. So you can tell it like first go here, then go here, and as well like you can actually tell it which exact websites or data sources to visit. So I think that's super nifty about the agent. And yeah, you can see like it's very comprehensive. Like it will actually go to like this one has like 5 sources, like
Yeah, I think Sriya, if you could show our prompt as well, the
yeah,
prompt that we put into the agent,
yeah,
because you can be super specific or super vague. That's the good part about an agent. So in
yeah.
this case, we told it to, look just at the company website.
Mhm,
Try not to look at any other sources.
mhm.
Uh, but you can also tell it, like look at all the sources available and you can choose which ones to go after.
Yeah,
So that's the good part about an agent is you can instruct it how you wanted to find the answer. So in this case, we told it to head over to a company's website and check if the keyword AI is mentioned anywhere, in the header, footer, navigation tab, in a different page, and it was able to do that. And because we use RAG to, answer your query and build the agent, it's able to, also give you the sources.
yeah.
So the references are always listed, so you know where the data is coming from. And that's really important because you don't want it to hallucinate and you want to be able to, find out the source. Just so you can look at, where is it coming from? Is the source actually accurate?
Yeah, and then I think we have a question from Barry. Will these data fields also be enriched for Dutch companies and persons? Do you want to answer that, Rush?
Yeah, for Dutch companies, what was that again?
Do we also have data for Dutch companies?
Oh yeah, for sure. So this has all the information on the web. So no matter which country, you're looking into, it should be able to answer any sort of questions that's available on the web or on the company's website. So definitely give it a try. We have, a lot of our clients are based in Europe. They're based throughout the world, Asia as well. They really love using our AI features. So definitely give it a try. And if you need any help, with your agent, we're here to help you.
Yeah, and then just to kind of wrap it up in our like last 10 minutes to show, so I've already filtered my list on like the data that's been found and things like that, and I sent it to Sendspark. So you can actually just search in Sendspark here. You would click add prospect to video campaign, which is Sendspark. You would add in your like keys over here, your API keys, which you can get. And then what I did was you choose the workspace. So let me just show the one I already ran. Like I chose the Persona workspace. You choose your campaign ID, and then here you just put in the dynamic variables that will flow into Sendspark. So you just have to do like a backslash, person name, work email, company name, all this data, and then I would just run it. And then you can see once Sendspark is able to get it, it'll say like added prospect. It has all this data over here. And then not just Sendspark, but you can also do like multi-step. You can very similar, adding your API keys, adding to smart leads, or we'll be going more in depth in this next week, but like growth machine as well. You can create or update leads here as well. So really honestly, the hard part is just finding that like high intent list, and then you can scale it in many ways, sending it to all these different platforms as well. So just to quickly show how it would look in Sendspark, I created like a template and a page, and this data here, it would start flowing in. So the videos are processing right now, but what it would actually come in is like my prospect's website, which is the data I have already sent in from Persona to Sendspark over here. And then the videos would process, and then you should be able to send them to different platforms, or you should also be able to send it back to Persona. We're going to be adding that very soon. And then you can send that to smart leads or things like that. So really using Persona as a place to centralize all these different tools and platforms. And then you can like really scale it from there. And just to touch a little bit more on just video prospecting in general, I think it's super cool because it adds that like next level of personalization, seeing your face and, hi to your first name and showing your prospect's website. And I think with Persona, you can even get more nifty and adding more details as well to send to your email campaigns or videos or anything like that. And just in terms of like the video prospecting space in general, I think we're gonna start seeing some really cool things coming out. And I know there's already companies doing that. I saw like Sendspark does like the voice cloning. I know there's some other companies that like can make your own digital avatars and stuff. So we're gonna see some pretty cool stuff coming out into the space. But what is key before you're just making all these videos and sending them is to make sure that you are targeting the right people and you're getting the right data. So you're just not like sending spam.